office and katulad po ng lagi ko sinasabi, sure po office and katulad po ng lagi ko sinasabi, mas maganda. Simulan na po natin ang usapan, okay? And I'll be giving you a few minutes, okay? O a minute siguro po para i-share na po natin to. Katulad po ng ginagawa ko ngayon. As you can see here, ako po ay nag-share na po ng ating link sa ating mga kapatid, mga kasama po para makita po nila yung kagandahan po ng Easyverse 3.0. Sige, sabay-sabay po tayo. Okay, sanda po natin to. Yan. Sige, few seconds pa po tayo. Few seconds. Okay. Yan. Damihan na natin. Para makita po ng ating mga kapatid, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan, kung gaano po kaganda ang opportunity. Okay. Ng Easyverse 3.0. Yan. Sige. Last 10 seconds. Okay. Yan. Na-share ko na. Nakapag-share na ako ng madami. Okay. Yan. Bakit po? Para mapag-usapan po natin na maganda-maganda po ang ating mga produkto, okay? At para ma-appreciate po ng ating mga kasama, okay? Ito pong ating pong opportunity. Yan, game na ako. So, let me share my screen, okay? So, ito na po. Okay, share tayo. Kanina po tayo naka-Zoom platform. Ngayon naman po, okay, dito po tayo sa StreamYard. Okay. Yan, ito po. Yun, good. Good job. Okay. Tago ko lang po ito ng konti. Okay. Okay. So, let me begin. Sandali lang po. Medyo sa silent mode ko lang po isa dito para wala pong sagabal. Yan. Okay. There you go. Sige po. So, let us start. So again, good morning po sa bawat isa. I'm Dr. Butch Villena, your medical consultant, and of course, a diplomate of the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians. I co-authored this wonderful book, of course, with my wife, Complete 24/7 Natural Healers po. I've been a professor for 12 long years, both in the College of Medicine, Nursing, bago po ako naging part ng ating company as a part of the training team, both locally and internationally. And again, I'm the medical product specialist of Empowered Consumerism. So sa mga kasama po natin, um, tayo po ay pwede po mag-open doon po sa ating Easyverse 3.0 po na page. Okay? I-invite nyo po yung mga kasama natin. Doon po tayo sa Easyverse 3.0 po na page. Okay? Yan. Okay. Share natin yan. Okay? Para po doon tayo magsasama-sama for every time magkaroon po tayo ng presentation po natin. Okay? So, continue with. I'm Dr. Villana. Kung may questions po kayo about the products of the company, you can message me through my Facebook page, Dr. Butch Villana po, Doc V. I-click nyo lang po yung thumbs up icon and again, dyan po tayo mapapalitan po ng information about the wonderful products na pwede pong umayon okay, sa kondisyon po ng inyong mga kliyente. Okay? And again, good morning. The person responsible why I became part of this business, okay, is of course my wife, si Dr. Chari Villana po. Isa po siyang pediatricians. As you can see here, we're both doctors, specialists, and promoting the great products of empowered consumerism. To continue with, can all of you please smile? Sabi nga po nila, no, ano ba talagang kagandahan? Ano ba talagang significance ng pagngiti? Ganito po kasi yan eh. Sa panahon po ngayon kung saan itong COVID up and down, biglang dadami, biglang bababa ng konti, okay? Sabi nga po dapat talagang malakas ang ating pangangatawan. Una kailangan po natin gawin is magpa-vaccine. Please. 2 taon ko na po kayong pinapakiusapan, di po ako mananawa. Receive the vaccines, please. Why? Para mag-develop po tayo ng antibody, okay? Oops, sandali lang po. Hindi daw ho ako naka-full screen. Ako, sandali lang ah. Sorry. Ulitin natin ah. Ulitin po natin. Okay? Thank you for reminding me, Direct. Ulitin natin to. Okay? So, share ko ulit yung screen ko para maganda. Minsan kasi nagkakaroon talaga tayo ng problema. Okay? Yan. Let me share my screen ulit, Direct ha. So, click natin to. Share natin. Okay. Yan, Direct. Okay na ba tayo, Direct? Okay. Palalakihin ko lang po ito. There you go. Yan, laki natin to. Yun! Yan, ako buti na lang po yung director ko naka naka-monitor sa akin. Yan, salamat Direk, salamat. So again, sabi nga po ulit natin para makaiwas po tayo sa mga severe or critical type ng COVID. Okay? Inulit ko. Pwede ka pa rin magkaroon ng COVID kung hindi ka maiging maingat. Okay? Pero mas malaki ang chance asymptomatic or mild condition na lang. Okay po tayo doon. Now, sabi nga po, Doc, ano mga kailangan pong gawin para natin makaiwas? Okay? Aside from the vaccine, well-balanced diet, fruits and vegetables po, kailangan natin yan. Ano pa pong kailangan po natin? Tayo po ay magpaaraw, mag-ehersisyo, matulog ng sapat na oras, uminom ng maraming tubig, and take the supplements of the company na gagawin ko po ngayon. Wow. Yun. Yan. Dapat po talaga lagi tayong nagsusupplements, okay? And definitely, isa pa po na kailangan gawin natin, tayo po ay ngumiti. You have to smile. Why? Para makatulong po ito magpalakas ng ating katawan. It can boost our immune system. Panglaban po sa mga iba't ibang klase ng sakit, mikrobyo, kapati na rin po yung cancer cells. So, bago tayo magpatuloy, ako po yung may kiusap. Okay, can all of you please smile? Yan. I-type niyo po dyan sa ating chat box, smile and be happy. Yon. Okay, smile and be happy. And again, pakisayo po sa ating mga kasama, i-open po nila sa ating Easyverse 3.0 na page. Okay, nandun po yung ating link para po makita po nila ating presentation po ngayon. Let us continue. So, welcome to our company, Empowered Consumerism, fueled by Alliance Motion Global. And we're here to talk about health and wealth. And we're trying to share to you an economy of a 15 years tested and proven system. At meron na po tayong mga branches po sa iba't ibang parte po ng mundo and even here in the Philippines from north to south. Now, to whom do we owe the success that we're enjoying right now? Of course, to our 3 board of directors, sa ating po mga may-ari. Dr. Cabantog, our Chief Executive Officer, Visionary President, Sir Jan Aspirin, our Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Excitement, and of course, kay Sir Franz Miguel, our Chief Finance Officer, the mentor of all mentors. Okay? Siyempre po, boss. Yan. Okay? And sabi nga po, pag sinasabing sipag, saludo po tayo sa kasipagan po ng mga may-ari po ng Empowered Consumerism. To continue with. 15 years. Tested and proven at legal. Ingat po tayo, napakarami po mga scam na kumpanya, mga pyramiding, okay, that are only after your money. So, paano po tayo makakasiguro? Dahil isang kumpanya po illegal. SEC, BAR, DTI, lahat yan, meron po tayo. And our company was even part of the top 1,000 highest tax-paying company po sa buong Pilipinas. Okay? And Doc, madaming awards and recognitions, hundreds na po worldwide yan. Ganong katibay po yung ating kumpanya. Ngayon, isa pang nagpatibay sa ating kumpanya, the reason why we're so successful is mainly because of our partners, Nature's Way, Weeder, and even the manufacturer. Okay po, ng ating pong carrier products, si Supreme are all multi-billion US dollar companies. DSM po is a multi-billion euro company, and AMS Life po is a multi-billion yen company. Kaya po ang ating kumpanya is a multi-billion peso company. Ngayon, pag pinag-uusapan ng health, let's talk about the cells. We're made up of cells, trillions. Sa loob po yung nucleus that will house your DNA that is part of your genetic material na pinapamana sa ating mga anak. Hindi lang yon. They're also responsible for us to produce proteins like muscle, hemoglobin, antibodies, and including immunoglobulins antibodies na lumalaban po sa mga mikrobyo. Klaro. Now, ito pa yung tip eh. Nandiyan po yung ating mitochondria or powerhouse of the cell that will also be responsible in the production of energy. Doc, energy ang pinag-uusapan natin. Pag sinabi niyo pong energy, okay, kailangan ng katawan. Pero, habang gumagawa ka ng energy, yung ating pong cells gumagawa rin po ng free radicals. And my dear leaders, I would like to inform you. Pag sinabi niyo pong free radicals, kahit saan ka pumunta, may mga free radicals. You can smell, drink, and even eat the free radicals. You can inhale them. Okay? So, Doc, pag sumobra ang dami, anong pwede mangyari sa loob ng cells natin? It can destroy our cells, can cause different kinds of diseases to our body, Yun ang problema natin. Ang kailangan ngayon para malabanan yan, yung tinatawag na antioxidants. And ang function niya is to prevent or neutralize the free radicals so that our cells will be healthy. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Okay, Doc. Nakuha na ang punto. Importante ang antioxidants. Sabi po ng WHO, we need to eat 5 servings, different colors, 400 grams of fruits and vegetables daily to have enough level of antioxidants para malabanan po ang mga free radicals. Kuha natin. Kung kaya mong kumain ng ganong karami ng fruits and vegetables, ayos ka, kota, healthy ka. But in reality, marami sa ating hindi kayang kumain ng ganong karami ng fruits and vegetables. Doon pumapasok, mga kapatid, ang significance ng pag-inom ng mga food supplements. And again, sabi nga po natin, pag sinabing supplementation, it will be there to bridge the nutritional gap between the food that we're eating and the supplements that we're taking. Klaro po tayo. So, Doc, importante talaga yan. Importante po. And every time we talk about food supplements, we have the best of the best in empowered consumerism and introducing our carrier product, C Supreme. Proven, scientific, breakthrough in you, and compared to other kinds of vitamin C with supreme absorption, retention, and definitely performance. Sabi nga po nila, Doc, paano mas naging supreme ang C Supreme kumpara sa iba't ibang klase ng vitamin C? Samantalang, ang nakikita natin dito, 500 milligrams din ng vitamin C yan. Now, ganito po yan eh. Lilinawin ko po sa inyong lahat. Okay, when you talk about vitamin C, hindi na kailangan pagdebatihan. Thousands of studies and decades of clinical research talagang ganda po sa ating katawan. Okay? Pero ang ating pong C Supreme, bukod sa vitamin C, it also contains citrus bioflavonoids complex and lipid metabolites. Now, let me drink my coffee, okay? Doc, yung citrus bioflavonoids complex po is also a strong antioxidant. Yun. And it will be there to prevent the free radicals from damaging the vitamin C component of our product. So, nape-preserve natin yung vitamin C ngayon. Matibay yan. At nabalutan pa ng lipid metabolites or safe vegetable waxes. Anong advantages po? Ganito yan eh. Once you take C Supreme, from the stomach, it will travel towards your intestines and will enter the blood vessels on the walls of the intestines. It will flow inside, or it will flow with the blood, and within minutes, will already be inside the different cells of the body. Kaya nga sabi nila, Doc, fast absorption, maganda yun, pero talaga bang maganda yung talab sa katawan yan? Ito po yung mga studies na ginawa po, okay, ng ating manufacturer. Again, comparing our product C Supreme with the other kinds of vitamin C available in the market. First, mas pinataas ang level ng antioxidants. Unang-una yon. Okay, because of the addition of citrus bioflavonoids complex. Pangalawa, pinataas po ang retention ng vitamin C. Why? Dahil nga po sa citrus bioflavonoids, dahil nga po sa encapsulation ng lipid metabolites. Tapos na-promote pa natin yung fibroblast sa collagen healing. Meaning to say, faster wound healing. And nabawasan po yung plasma levels ng C-reactive proteins. Significance, makakaiwas tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. At the same time, bawas ang inflammation or swelling para mag-promote ng magandang flow ng dugo. Sabi na iba, Doc, napakarami naman palang advantages. Yan, tinitingnan ko po kasi mga comments ninyo. No? I'm trying to look at your comments. Napakarami naman po palang advantages po ng ating produkto. Yan, sige po yun. Okay, yan, sige, invite pa tayo ng mga kasama natin. Okay? Very good, very good. Okay? And eto pa yan. Nababawasan po yung bad carriers ng cholesterol. Okay? At napataas pa natin yung ating free radical scavenging activities. Kung iisipin yung mabuti, sabi nga po nila, Doc, maganda yun sa katawan natin. At if you're looking for a product that will be good for your nervous system, okay, at maganda rin po sa ating lungs, na siyang isang organ na binabanatan talaga ng COVID, then this is the product, the food supplement for you. And the name is C Supreme of Empowered Consumerism. There you go. Ganda! Now, hindi lang yan. Isa pang produktong gustong-gusto kong inumin. Okay? Is of course C24/7 Naturaceuticals with 22,000 phytonutrients. May mga vitamins and minerals, amino acids, green foods, fruits and vegetables, mushrooms, digestive enzymes, herbs and specialty nutrients, and essential omega fatty acids. Sabi nga po ng iba na, Dok, grabe naman ang laman ng C24/7, should I say? Opo. Pero alam nyo, lilinawin ko lang from the vitamins down to the essential fatty acids. These were the components of another wonderful product of the company. Our first flagship product na ang pangalan po, Complete Phyto Energizer. You know what, my dear leaders? Nung mag-join kami ni Dr. Villena 13 years ago sa Impart Consumerism, AIM Global, wala pa tayong C24/7. Ang meron tayo nun, Complete. At yung vitamins sa essential fatty acid, ulitin ko po, these were the components of Complete. Kasi, kaya kami nag-member, doon pa lang sa produkto nyo, na-in-love na kami, na-impress kami sa produkto, ang ganda. Pero you're more fortunate. Why? Kasi ang ginawa po ng mga may-ari, dinagdagan ng mga anti-aging at 4 na longevity polyphenols, which happens to be the components of another great product of the company na ang pangalan po, Restore Life. So, anong nangyari po dito, yung 4 na longevity polyphenols ng Restore Life, saka mga anti-aging and everything incomplete, pinagsama-sama to finally come out with that great product that we call C24/7. Yun. Sabi nga po ko, okay to Now, lilinawin ko sa inyo, marami pa tayong magandang produkto, but this time we're only going to mention to you the most important functions of this great product. Are you ready? Again, our first flagship product, Complete Phyto Energizer with 16,000 phytonutrients. And if we're gonna compare it to C24/7 na merong 22,000 phytonutrients, dun pa lang alam mo na C24/7 is better than Complete by 6,000 phytonutrients. Wow! Okay? Natok, ayos to Pero sabi nga po, Dok, lahat ng laman ng Complete ang C24/7 din. Tama. Ang tanong ngayon, kailan natin ibibigay ang Complete? Pregnant ladies, lactating mom. Kung kayo po ay may problema sa inyong kidneys and liver, kung kayo po ay may bleeding or bleeding tendencies, if you're taking blood thinning synthetic medications, and of course, kung kayo po ay kababaihan na may problema po sa inyong reproductive organs, the preferred product for you, okay, will be Complete Phyto Energizer. And for the rest of our clients, you can go with C24/7. Now, isa pang magandang produkto na binanggit ko na kanina yung Restore Life. As the word implies, restore your life or rejuvenate your life. Okay? Doc, resveratrol sa longevity polyphenols. Alam niyo po, sabi ng mga scientists, once resveratrol goes inside your nucleus, it will repair your damaged DNA. So yung sinisira ng mga free radicals, i-repair po nito. Okay? And because of which, sabi po sa studies, it can be able to prolong our lives by 30% or more. Hindi lang yan. Can speed up your metabolism, okay, can help break down the fats to form energy, can help normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol, okay, good for the nervous system with a great level of antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. Kanta! And for the second time, I would like to repeat, all of the 4 longevity polyphenols of Restore Life, plus 5 anti-aging, plus everything incomplete were added up to finally come out with this great product that we call C24/7. Yung po yung mga pang-adults. Yan. Siyempre, ang dami na po natin sa ating mga kasama po ngayon. Okay? May mga pambata. 2 years old and above, yung Kiddie 24/7 Nutragamis. Magugustuhan po nila bakit para lang silang kumakain ng mga gamis. Okay? Mga gummy bears, parang ganon. Pero lahat ng ginamit ito natural. With 14 vitamins and minerals and 26 fruits and vegetables. Sabi nga, Dok, teka lang. Binanggit mo kanina, per capsule ng C24/7 or complete, 12 ang fruits and vegetables, combined 24 lang. Ito 26, bakit? In order to compensate for those young kids who are not fond of eating fruits and vegetables. Kaya talaga napakaganda po ng produktong yan. Now, sa mga batang nag-aaral, pati na rin po sa atin, pati na rin po sa mga senior citizen, we can give them My Choco. Bakit po may DHA? For their brain memory. Ngayon, itong My Choco po sa Kaliban Coffee are both herbal beverages. Paano po nangyari yon? Because 1/3 of the milligrams of complete with 16,000 phytonutrients were added to both Kaliban Coffee sa My Choco. Kanta niyan. Alkaline base pa, kaya safe sa ating stomach. Ano pa pong kailangan pag-usapan? Itong Live Coffee, I will assure you, world class. Bakit po world class? Coffee Arabica. Talaga naman pong napakasarap, okay? Talagang pag natikman mo to, naku, hahanap-hanapin mo na. And I would also like to inform you, mababa ang caffeine kaya safe sa ating puso. Ang mga flavors nito may original, cappuccino, latte, and the sugar-free. Paborito ko yon. Ang sarap. Walang asukal pero napakasarap because of stevia. It is 300 times the sweetness of sugar, organic, puro, hindi asukal, kaya safe sa mga diabetic clients. Can help normalize your blood pressure, can help strengthen the bones because of calcium production, may antibacterial properties, antioxidant, anti-cancer properties. Ganda. And these are the wonderful beverages of our company. Ngayon, kung may mga kliyente tayo na naghahanap po ng mga whitening products na healthy rin sa katawan, marami yan. Pero itong dalawang to, perfect combination. White and perfect white. Linawin ko po. Ang white light po, in bottle form, shake nyo muna po. May L-glutathione saka vitamin C. Pag spray mo sa ilalim ng dila, 3 sprays po muna, patagalin mo ng 1 minute. It will be enough for the glutathione vitamin C to enter the blood vessels under the tongue. It will flow with the blood and again within minutes will already be inside the different cells of the body. Sabi ng iba, Dok, ang ganda po nito. Ano pwede mangyari? It may lighten up your skin. Pwede kang pumuti. What I would like to inform you, nilinawin ko po ang usapan. Pakinggan niyo po mabuti ito, ha? Okay? Yung whitening po is only one of the side effects of glutathione. Because according to medical studies, the main function of glutathione is that it's a strong antioxidant, anti-cancer, and a detoxifier, not just for the liver, but for the entire body. Ganun kaganda yan. Okay, ngayon, para mas maganda po, samahan mo ng Perfect White. Cysteine peptide with vitamin C. As you take cysteine inside your body, it will help in the synthesis of glutathione. Kaya lahat po ng kagandahan ng white light will also be present in Perfect White. Pero may mga bonus to eh. Ano po yun? Dinagdagan ng astaxanthin. Pag sinabi niyo pong astaxanthin, okay, may anti-wrinkle, anti-aging properties, Botox effect, sabi nga po natin. Tapos, may apple polyphenols, anti-UTI pa. And again, these two for me are said to be the perfect combination na whitening ka na, pumuputi, pwede ka pa maging healthy. Ngayon, isa pang paborito kong produkto that I've been taking since I joined the company 13 years ago is Cholidus, from the words cholesterol reducer. Merong omega supreme fatty acid. Ngayon, magandang inumin to habang kumakain. Sabi niya, Dok, bakit po? Alam nyo marami sa atin, okay, mahilig kumain ng mga prito, baboy, hamburger, french fries, you name it. We love eating fried food. Karamihan sa atin. Pag napasobra yung kain mo ng cholesterol, you know what will happen? Pagpunta po ng excess cholesterol sa inyong blood vessels, sa inyong intestine, should I say, isabay mo itong omega supreme fatty acid. Pagpasok po sa ating intestines, it will help pull the excess cholesterol and can bring it out to your poops. Okay, so number 1, it can help normalize your blood cholesterol. Number 2, it may also help break down the fats to form energy. And even a pregnant lady can take this product once a day. The best. Talking about the blood vessels, we have 2 Vida products for you. The Vida Drink Mix and of course the Vida Max. Una-una po may resveratrol. Napag-usapan na po natin yan. Same. Okay, sabi nga po, yung mga resveratrol po sa Restore Life, ano mga pwede mangyari? Vasodilation. Tumutulong magpalawag ng blood vessels. Kung may makakakilala kayong high blood at umiinom po ng mga gamot, yung tawag ay anti-hypertensive medications, isabay mo to. Okay, why? To help normalize the blood pressure. Number 2, can also speed up your metabolism. Can help break down the fats to form energy. Tama po tayo doon. Tapos po, can also help normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol. Okay? At maganda rin sa nervous system natin. Ngayon, meron pa siyang bonus dito, yung lycopene. Ano po yung lycopene? Sabi nga po natin, pag sinabi niyo pong lycopene, antioxidant, anti-atherosclerosis. Tingnan niyo po yung picture po sa kanan, yung blood vessel na may kulay dilaw, yung po yung atherosclerosis. What is that? The hardening and the thickening of the blood vessel wall. Yun. Ngayon, ito pong lycopene will help in the prevention of atherosclerosis inside your blood vessels. Why? Para nga po maiwasan natin yung pagsikip ng blood vessel wall, so it can improve the flow of the blood and can also help normalize the blood pressure. Yun ang kagandahan yan. Sarap inumin yan. Kung gusto mo naman in capsule form, you go for Vidamax. Ano po meron sa Vidamax? Number 1, resveratrol na pag-usapan na po. Ang bonus ito, yung tinatawag na fruit flow. Sabi nga po, Doc, fruit flow. Okay, ganito po ang fruit flow. Linawin ko po mabuti sa inyo. Ang fruit flow will help prevent abnormal blood clotting inside the blood vessels. Thus, can help prevent heart attack, pati po stroke. Perfect. Ganda. Okay. Once a day lang po. Pwede na. Ngayon, yung CardioPulse is a special procedure ng company. Alam niyo po, pag kayo po yung nag-join sa ating company, bibigyan po kayo ng certificate, okay, ng free CardioPulse test. Pagpunta niyo po sa centers natin, sa mga branches, okay, ika-clamp po yan sa left index finger and will only run for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes po, may resulta na po. Kung type 1 po, healthy po yan. Kung type 7 po, unhealthy po ito. Maliwanag po tayo doon. Yan. Ayun. Doc, maganda po yun okay. So, at least nalalaman mo yung integrity ng blood vessels. Tama po. Ang kagandahan pa niya, at the back of the results, nandun po yung recommendations, okay, of the specific food supplements of the company na aayon po sa inyo. Maliwanag po tayo doon. So, Doc, okay yan. Yun na nga lang po, may lilinawin lang ako sa inyo. Nung mag-start po ang pandemya ng Marso 2020, pinatigil muna natin ang CardioPulse to observe social distancing. Itago nyo lang po yung certificates nyo. Why? Para pag tayo po yung nakabalik na po sa ating pong old normal lives, ipagawa nyo na po ito. Bakit po? To give us an initial assessment if our blood vessels are functioning well. Klaro? Okay. Next po. Ito po yung mga gandang natural essential products po ng ating company, namely, the Natural Essentials Herbal Toothpaste. Yan ang una. Ang kagandahan po nito, meron po siyang 5 herbs. Anong function po nun? Antibacteria, antiviral, antifungal. Second po, okay, anti-swelling sa ating gums. At pangatlo po, it will help repair the gums of the oral cavity. Kung kayo po ay merong mga singaw or lucei or mouth sores or stomatitis, gamitin niyo po yung produkto natin. I will assure you, within 2 to 3 days po, it will start to heal. Yan. At may bonus. What is that? May components ng complete yan. That every time you brush your teeth, the components of complete will enter the blood vessels and will circulate to your entire body. So, ano mangyayari po dyan? Whiter teeth, fresher breath, healthy mouth, and of course, a healthy body. Yan. Okay, very good. Ngayon, my dear leaders, meron po tayong mga wash. We have the feminine and the masculine wash. Is specific for the gender of the clients. Bawal pong maghiraman ang opposite sex. Kahit mag-asawa, hindi po pwede maghiraman. Bakit? Kasi po magkaiba po ang pH ng babae, vagina, at ng lalaki, penis. Okay? Kaya specific po tayo sa ating mga produkto. Ngayon, both of which will require you to take a bath with soap and water, definitely. Okay? Tapos po, ang kagandahan po niyan, okay, unahin natin ang babae, malinis na yung katawan, okay, nasa CR kayo definitely, nasa washroom kayo, maglagay po ng feminine wash, ladies, sa inyong mga daliri. Imagine niyo po na ito yung vagina, yung butas po sa gitna. It's being bounded by the major and minor lip, pahiran niyo po ng feminine wash, pati po clitoris, pati po anus. And after 2 minutes, wash it out. Okay? Ano mga benefits po? Ano mga pwede mangyari? Anti-UTI, anti-swelling, anti-itchiness, antioxidant, and of course, anti-cancer. Great. Same thing with the guys. Take a bath with soap and water. Tapos po, sisimulang ipahid dyan sa pinaka-tip ng penis, entire body or shaft, yung scrotum po or yung covering ng testicles, pati na rin po yung anus. And after 2 minutes, wash it out. Maliwanag po tayo. Okay, Doc. Magandang gamitin to. Ilang beses ginagamit. If you are not suffering from UTI or STD, isa lang. But if you're suffering from urinary tract infection or sexually transmitted diseases, use it twice a day. Umaga po at bago kayo matulog sa gabi. Clear? Okay. Now, ito na. It's time for us to lose weight. body under right nutrition. Okay? Sabi nga po nila, pag kayo po ay overweight or obese, maraming sakit na pwede mangyari. Heart attack, stroke, hypertension, even diabetes. Ang Burn Slim, majority of the components of which are also present on the other Burn products. Take the Burn Slim product, 30 minutes bago kayo kumain. Okay? Ngayon, pag inom mo yan, anong unang mangyayari? Yung tabang kinain mo will not be absorbed. It will just be defecated. Number 1 yon. Pangalawa po, na pwedeng advantage po nito. Okay? Mababawasan yung gana mong kumain. Ganda niyan. At sabayan mo na rin po ng maraming tubig. Every time you take food supplements, please drink lots of water. At samahan mo na rin po ng exercise. So what will happen here? It will help break down the fats inside your cells, inside your liver, and inside your body. Nice. Now, yung Burn Shake is a replacement meal, pangpalit sa isang kain. For example, yung breakfast mo, kalimutan mo na yung usual breakfast. Ipalit mo to. Ilagay sa tumbler with water. Okay. Shake mabuti. Cookies and cream flavor. That only contains 111 calories. Enjoy mo habang iniinom mo. Kung medyo bitin kayo, pwede ka namang samahan mo yan ng gulay o ng fruits. Ako, ang paborito ko sa pag pinag-uusapan ng fruits, especially sa umaga, mansanas eh. A medium-sized apple only contains 90 calories. 90. 111 to plus 90 is 201. Let's make it 200 para walang butal. Alam niyo po, ang isang meal, nag-average ng 700 calories. This is only 200. So, 700 minus 200, that's 500 calories na tinanggal mo. Pag ganun karami po ang calories na tinatanggal nyo, we're bound to lose 1 pound per week, 4 pounds in 1 month, and 48 pounds in a year. Yun ang magandang usapan dyan. Sabi, Dok, okay yan. Eh, ito pa. Lahat ng advantages ng Live and Coffee kanina, nandyan din po sa Live and Coffee Burn na pwede ka pang mag-lose ng weight. And if you are fond of drinking iced tea, you go for the Mati iced tea. Bakit po? Antioxidant, anti-cancer, antibacteria. And again, pwede ka pang mag-lose ng weight. So, Dok, paano ba iniinom yung mga yan? Burn Shake for breakfast. Live and Coffee Burn by 10 o'clock in the morning. Burn Slim 30 minutes before lunchtime. And at around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, you go for the Mati iced tea, diet, exercise, drink lots of water, and think positive. And I assure you, you're bound to lose weight. Good? Okay. Ngayon, eto na. Doc, maganda daw to. Talagang napakaganda niyan. Okay? I Protect 24/7. Yan po yung nasa loob ng energy pendant. Okay? Ano pong components po nito? Meron po siyang chlorine dioxide. Hindi ba, pag tayo swimming, di ba, when you dip yourselves in the pool, amoy mo yung chlorine? Bakit po? May antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal kasi yon. Sa studies po na ginawa worldwide, alam nyo ginawa ng mga scientists, in a wet environment po, nilagyan nila ng chlorine. Pagkalagay nila ng chlorine, you know what happened? Okay? Nilagyan po nila ng mga bacteria sa virus. When exposed to chlorine, within seconds to minutes, patay yung mga mikrobyo. Ganun kaganda yun. Sabi ko, okay na okay to. Now, eto pa. Okay, nilagay po dun sa I Protect 24/7. Why? To give us a 1 to 2 meters, 3 to 6 feet windstorm protection. Okay? Made up of chlorine dioxide against airborne diseases. Airborne. Anong kagandahan? Naglalakad ka. Dapat nakamask. Parang ganito po, nakamask dapat tayo. Kaso ang problema ng iba, yung mga mask, sandali po, may nahulog lang. Okay? Ang problema ng iba, yung mga mask nila, nakalagay sa baba, dito. Anong silbi nun? Eh, yung katapat mo, yung mga kasulubong mo, mga 10 to 20 feet away from you, yun din ang ginawa. You know what will happen? Eh, bigla siyang umubo humatching. Yung mga mikrobyo yung hindi mo nakikita will travel towards you. If it will enter your mouth or nose, pwede ka nang mahawa ng mga airborne diseases like what? Mycobacterium tuberculosis, flu virus. Ngayon, kung meron kang I Protect 24/7, once the microorganisms enters the green zone, it will disintegrate right away. Yun po yun. Kaya nga sabi po nila, Doc, okay yan na. Pero Doc, meron akong C24/7, may C Supreme Colidus Ultra H2. Ang ganda ng mga yon. Believe ako, that will serve as your internal protection. But this one, will serve as your external protection. And as I always say, the more protection we have, the better for our body. Yun na nga lang po, after 1 month, palta na po yung eye protect sa loob ng energy natin. Bakit po? Hanggang 1 month lang po kasi talaga tumatagal yon. Now, yung energy diffuser, ito po yung mga yan, no? Pakita ko lang po sa inyo. This one. Nilalagay po sa ating gadgets, tablet, cellphone, laptop, appliances. Okay? Alam niyo may mga distributors po tayo na bumili po ng mga electromagnetic device para po i-monitor po yung radiation ng kanilang mga gadgets and appliances. And true enough, kita nila talaga ang taas ng radiation. But when they place a diffuser, it went down to 0. Protected tayo against so much radiation. Yun po. Tapos, meron pang energy bracelet na napakaganda. Two-toned. Okay? Fashionable. Naka-rugged ka, naka-formal, casual. Pwede. Pero ang habol ko dyan, yung health benefits. Ang ginamit dito, infusion process that will create subtle energy. At sabi ng ating manufacturer, pag suot-suot mo yan, alam niyo po nangyayari? It will boost your chi. Okay? Yung ating inner energy. Pag lumalakas po ang ating chi, it will bring balance to the body, nababawasan po yung physical stress, bumibilis po ang metabolism, at the same time, it can also strengthen your immune system. At lumalakas po yung chakra or aural field natin. Bakit? Anti-radiation. And according to our manufacturer, all of the energy products, bracelet, pendant, and diffuser, the anti-radiation properties are all said to be lifetime. Galing. We have suffered from different kinds of muscle pain and we have used different kinds of pain relievers like mefenamic acid, ibuprofen, celecoxib, meloxicam, and so on and so forth. Dami niyan. Okay? Okay yung mga yon kung prescribe ng doktor. Huwag niyong abusuhin ang pag-inom ng pain relievers. Why? It may damage your kidneys and may lead to ulcerations of the stomach. So ako sa inyo, you go for Cureleaf. Cureleaf Thermal Relief Patch po. Okay? Natural means. Paano ginagamit? Take a bath first with soap and water. Dry your skin. And apply the patch evenly on parts of the body that are suffering from muscle pain. Okay? With the 9 components, as you apply it, you can be able to feel the soothing heat relief because of the warmness of the patch. Nagre-relax ang muscle, nagdadilate ang blood vessel, kaya pa yung swelling sa paligid will go inside. Bawas ang swelling, bawas ang pain within 1 hour. At alam niyo po, as fast as 6 hours, 9 hours, or 12 hours, yung iba, totally wala ng pain. Now, kung susobra man po yung pain, nandun pa rin within 24 hours o beyond 24 hours, walang problema. Bakit? Because this patch can last on our skin for 48 long hours. Tagal niyan. Ang pakiusap ko lang sa inyo, if after 48 hours po naliligo na po kayo, tanggalin niyo na po ng dahan-dahan yan to avoid irritations on our skin. Clear? Okay. Naku, the molecular hydrogen Ultra H2 product. Ang lupit nito, ang gandang gamitin nito. May mga nauna sa ating mga kumpanya nag-promote ng ganyang produkto, ang lalaki. 100,000, 200,000 ang presyo. Pero ang parts per billion po ng kanilang molecular hydrogen, nagre-range lang po ng 100 to 200. Ours is as big as a tumbler. You can bring it anywhere you want. Reasonable ang price. At more than 1,500 parts per billion po ang kanyang molecular hydrogen. It's either you inhale the product, the molecular hydrogen, through the nasal cannula that's part of the product, of the package, or just drink the water kung gusto mo. As the molecular hydrogen goes inside the body and encounters different kinds of free radicals, they will bind with it. And right there and then, it will neutralize the free radicals. Kaya nga sabi po na, Doc, super antioxidant water ito. Tama. With more than 800 human clinical studies, and the brains behind are said to be a combination of Japan and South Korea. And then our entire family can also benefit from this wonderful product. And of course, may Angel E tayo. Pag sinabi yung Angel E, hindi po ito vitamin E, it's not even an estrogen. Ito po ay ang kagandahan po ng Angel E. Okay? It's made up of SHU-100, 3 wonderful herbs that will try to mimic or copy, okay, the wonderful effects of estrogen for the female body. Na meron pang beeswax sa astaxanthin. Ang taas ng level ng antioxidants, may mega anti-aging properties, skin whitening, collagen peptides for your skin. nakakabawas ng scars saka ng blemishes, nagiging elastic ladies ang skin ninyo, nakakapag-prevent pa ng painful menstruation or dysmenorrhea, at kung kayo pinasa menopausal stage na po yung mga 50s and above, gamitin niyo po ito. Kasi alam niyo pag menopausal stage, mood swings, energy swings, hot flashes, vaginal dryness, may mga testimonies na po tayong mga late 50s po na babae na nag-vaginal dryness na po. Pero nung sinubukan niyang gamitin to, nag-vaginal wetness at ang kanila pong sexual relationship ng kanyang husband, talaga pong nag-improve ng mabuti. Sa atin kasi pag masaya po yung ating mga distributors saka mga clients natin sa mga produkto natin, masaya rin po tayo sa ating company. And these are the wonderful products of Empowered Consumerism. Yan. Okay.
Yan, thank you Doc Butch. Grabe, napakaganda talaga ng mga products natin dito sa Empowered Consumerism. Kaya lahat ng nanonood dyan, kung nagustuhan mo at talagang napabilib ka sa ganda ng mga produkto natin, comment mo naman dyan. Thank you Doc Butch. At syempre, I love Easy Products. Yan, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, talagang napatunayan natin guys na from our medical doctor na talagang nagbibigay patunay ng mga gagandang produkto ng Easy at talagang beneficial para sa inyo pong lahat. So sa lahat ng mga nanonood, sa lahat ng mga viewers natin today, yan, please comment down below. I-comment mo, thank you Doc Butch. And syempre, huwag mong kalimutan i-comment, I love Easy Products. Yan. And by the way, sa lahat po ng kasama natin today, thank you for joining our Neoverse presentation. I am Perdi Tapales, your international trainer and training specialist. Ako naman na mag-share sa inyo ngayon kung paano natin magagamit yung magagandang produkto para matulungan tayo hindi lang ang ating pangangatawan, kundi matulungan din yung ating finances, especially at this time of pandemic era. Tayo po ay nasa ikalawang taon, going to 3 years na, no? Kasi 2022, we started 2020, nagkaroon ng pandemic na talagang sinubok yung ating kalusugan, sinubok yung ating health. With the Easy Products, talagang matutulungan ka. Bet, dahil nga sa pandemic, ang daming nangyari, ang mga negosyo nagsara, opportunities na talagang naging mailap sa mga tao, meron tayong may offer sa iyo na pwede mong gawin para matulungan ang finances mo. Ayan ang tinatawag natin na Easy Business or ating Neoverse presentation para sa inyong lahat. Okay? So, without further ado, simulan na natin. I-share ko muna yung aking slide para makita nyo naman po yung ating presentation ngayon na Easyverse 3.0. Yan, sa lahat na nagko-comment, yes, keep the comments coming. Mary Jane, yan, si Mary Jane Tamayo, si Josh Cancera, nandyan din. Yan, si Greener Mike, alright, si Pinky Salud, Erwin Serdan, I love Easy Products. Alright, ngayon, ito po ang maganda dyan, yung mga Easy Products na nakita po ninyo, talagang makakatulong sa inyo, sa inyong pangangatawan, sa inyong kalusugan. Ngayon, paano natin magagamit lahat ng yan for us to be able to help ourselves, especially yung ating finances, para matulungan natin yung sarili natin and yung mga pamilya natin. Now, dito po papasok yung ating Easyverse 3.0. Napakaganda po nito because 3.0, napakagandang innovation po nito para sa lahat because in this Easyverse 3.0, ang ating pong gagawin dito is tutulungan po natin kayo na i-design or disenyo yung inyong sariling negosyo. Siyempre, makapag-design ka din ng sarili mong income and of course, design your life in this Easyverse presentation using our wonderful Easy Products. Papaano mo naman po yan sisimulan? Napakasimple lang po. All you need to do is shop our Neoverse package now. Kasi po, lahat ng produkto na nakita niyo po kanina, I'm sure very familiar ka sa mga yan. Kasi merong mga produkto dyan na ginagamit mo na pang-araw-araw. You are using soap, you are using vitamin C, you're using products, yung mga supplements para palakasin yung pangangatawan. But yung mga ginagamit or binibili natin na produkto na to is not giving us extra means to make money because tayo po ay bumibili at nakaka-receive lang ng produkto. Now, with this, our Neoverse package po, magkakaroon ka ng magagandang produkto at magkakaroon ka pa ng opportunity na magkaroon ng negosyo as you use these wonderful products. So, anong gagawin mo para masimulan ito? Mamimili ka lang po ng ating mga produkto sa Empowered Consumerism, inilagay natin niya sa isang package, ang pangalan po ay Neoverse package. Ang Katumbas po na produktong makukuha mo with this Neoverse package is total of 22,460 worth of products. So lahat po ng produkto na narinig nyo kanina kay Doc Butch, pwede nyo pong ma-enjoy, pwede nyo pong magamit, at pwede nyo ring i-share sa inyong mga kapamilya. Now, you will not be paying 22,460, but you will only get this for the amount of 18,999 pesos lamang po. So mapapansin mo dito sa ating Neoverse package, ang dami ng produktong makukuha mo. Ang daming produktong pwede mong magamit at ma-share, ma-enjoy, pero makukuha mo ito sa discounted na halaga. Tama po ba? Now, ganyan kaganda dito sa ating EasyVerse 3.0. Ngayon, pag ikaw naman po ay nakapamili na or bumili ka, nag-shop ka na ng ating Neoverse package, magkakaroon ka naman ng easy code na makukuha mo for free. Itong easy code, ito naman yung ating gagamitin para ma-register ka sa platform ng Empowered Consumerism at ma-enjoy mo yung EasyVerse 3.0 and the Empowered Consumer Benefits na kasama po nito. Alright? So maiisip mo, bumili ka ng magagandang produkto, nag-shop ka sa ating Neoverse package, binili mo at nakakuha ka ng napakaraming produkto, magagamit mo, makukonsume mo, mas-share mo sa pamilya at mga kakilala at kaibigan mo. At the same time, magkakaroon ka pa ng negosyo na makakasama ka sa platform ng Empowered Consumerism. At once you are in the platform of Empowered Consumerism, mag-enjoy mo yung ating business platform na magkakaroon ka ng means to work out and to earn dito sa mga paraan na pwede mong ma-enjoy para madagdagan ang iyong income and your finances this year 2022. So you can enjoy in the retailing, you can also earn in the binary system, may unilevel system din tayo na pwede mong ma-enjoy at pwede mong magkaroon ng extra income para sa'yo. Meron din tayong stair step at uni pay plan. So, kung makikita mo, kaya ito tinawag na Epic Business Platform or Epic or Empowered Passive Income Compensation because simple lang ang ginawa mo. Nag-shift ka ng iyong mga produkto, shift mo sa Empowered Consumerism products, binili mo yung ating Neoverse package, at the same time, ma-enjoy mo pa yung 5 na to. Retailing, binary, unilevel, stair step, at unipay plan. Para ma-enjoy mo to, after mo mag-shift ng mga product, after mo mag-shift ng mga brands, ng produkto, kailangan mo rin nitong gamitin. And after you use these products, syempre kailangan mong masubukan. Kailangan mong ikaw mismo makaranas ng kagandahan ng produkto. So when you share this to people, alam mo kung paano ito makakatulong sa kanila. Because when you do that, you will be enjoying the first way of earning sa ating EasyVerse 3.0, which is the retailing profit. Dito sa retailing, you can enjoy 25 to 50% retailing profit every time you share the products natin sa Empowered Consumerism. So pwede kang mag-share ng isang bottle ng C Supreme, pwede kang mag-share ng isang blister pack ng ating C24/7, mag-share ka ng ating mga produkto like coffees and many more. Every time you share that product, nagre-retail ka, you will be getting outright retail profit of 25 to 50%. Okay? And apart from that, we also have the binary platform. Alright? Ito sa binary platform, since we're talking about binary, dalawa po. May dalawang paraan ka din to earn in the binary platform. Unang-una po dyan is the direct referral bonus and at the same time may match sales bonus pang kasama. Now, isa-isahin ko po para mas maintindihan yun lahat. Ang binary platform natin, you'll be enjoying direct referral bonus at match sales bonus. Sa direct referral bonus, ito po napakaganda, napakasimple. For every Neoverse package na masosold mo, mabebenta mo sa iyong kliyente, kaibigan, kakilala, you will be enjoying 5,000 pesos direct referral bonus. Sa isang package, sa isang Neoverse na maibibenta mo, mai-share mo at bibili ng kaibigan, kakilala, or any person na mamimit mo that will buy this Neoverse package. Naku po, 5,000 ka agad. 5,000 ka agad ang mai-enjoy mo. Alright? Okay po ba yun? Magandang income po ba yun para sa lahat? Alright? Now, ito po ang kagandahan yan. Isa pa lang po yan. Now, Look at this. Lahat po tayo, meron tayong mga kaibigan, kakilala, na at these trying times ay talagang naghahanap ng pwede nilang gawin to be able to earn more and earn extra. Tama po. Ngayon, syempre, si Honey Krisha, maraming kaibigan yan. Lalo si Ma'am Marilu. Marilu, nasa Singapore, marami rin kakilala at kaibigan yan. Diba? So, if you share this Neoverse package sa mga kilala, kaibigan, kaklase, kapitbahay, any person that you know, and every time they buy this Neoverse package, you will be rewarded 5,000 pesos direct referral. So let's say in a month, si Honey Krisha nakapag-share ng hindi lang isa, hindi lang tatlo, kundi 10 Neoverse package sa kanyang kakilala. Automatically, that 5,000 multiplied by 10, meron ka na kaagad 50,000 pesos direct referral bonus pa lamang po. Ganyan kaganda ang Easyverse 3.0. Whatever you are doing, yung effort na binibigay mo, yung pag-share mo para makatulong ka sa iba at makatulong ka sa kanilang kalusugan and finances, you are also going to be rewarded in the process. Tama po? 50,000 sa 10 Neoverse package na nabenta mo. Is it good? Magandang income po ba yan? Yes, talagang napakaganda niyan, di ba? At yan po ay napakaganda because you can earn this unlimited direct referral bonus. You can enjoy direct referral bonus income without limit. Kasi nasa sayo po yan. If you want to limit yourself with 1 Neoverse package, or 2, or 10, or 20, or 40, nasa sayo po yan. Kasi dito po sa Empowered Consumerism, sa Easyverse 3.0, every effort na ibibigay mo, every hustle na i-share mo or ihahato mo sa negosyo mo, you will be rewarded sa bawat effort, sa bawat pawis, at sa bawat pag-share mo ng ating mga produkto, especially the Neoverse package. Ngayon, ito po ay direct referral bonus pa lamang. Ngayon, meron pa tayong match sales bonus, the second way for you to earn sa ating binary platform. Ngayon, ang match sales bonus will happen if you have 2,400 product points combined from the left and right sales group. So, ang mangyayari po niyan, pag marami kang na-share, na benta na Neoverse package, maraming package na merong 1,200 points. So since we are in the binary platform, ang gagawin mo lamang po dyan is to put them either on the left sales group or in the right sales group. So one Neoverse package may 1,200 points at another Neoverse package naman may 1,200 points. This will give you extra profit of 1,800 pesos for your match sales bonus. Ako, ang dami mong shinare kanina, nakasampung Neoverse package ka. 5 yung nilagay mo sa kanan, 5 din yung nilagay mo sa kaliwa. So the system will detect 2,400 points combined left and right, 518 pa ang papasok sa'yo. Meron ka pang makukuwang extra. Now, para mas ma-visualize mo yung aking sinasabi sa match sales bonus, let me expound more sa inyong lahat. So, let's say for example, si Ma'am Leonora. Yan. So, Ma'am Leonora, meron siyang left sales group at right sales group. Now, si Ma'am Leonora, mag-i-invite siya ng kaibigan niya that will be buying yung ating Neoverse package. So, halimbawa, kaibigan ni Ma'am Leonora si Peter. Si Peter na nasa left sales group, bumili ng Neoverse package. Si Parker, nasa may kanan sa right sales group, bumili rin ng Neoverse package. So, since si Peter and si Parker ay inibitahan ni Ma'am Leonora, she will be enjoying direct referral bonus of 5,000 pesos from each of the Neoverse package. And since 1-2 yung nasa kaliwa, 1-2 yung nasa kanan, meron din niyang tinatawag na match sales bonus na 1,800 pesos. Tama po. Napakaganda. May 5,000 ka na sa bawat package, may 1,800 ka pang additional. Ito po yung pinakamas malupit, pinakamas maganda, at pinakamas ma-enjoy mo. Once na makapag-share ka ng 2 Neoverse package, okay? Yung mga Neoverse packages na yan, magkakaroon din ng mga kaibigan nila na pwede rin at gugustuhin din bumili ng mga Neoverse packages. Alright? So halimbawa si Peter, iimbitahan niya si A at iimbitahan niya si B. Kung ano yung ginawa mo na nag-earn ka ng 5,000 left and right at may 1,800 ka na matching bonus, susundan lang din ni Peter yan. So Peter will be inviting A and B, magkakaroon siya ng same amount of income kagaya mo, at ganun din naman si Parker. Mag-i-invite siya si C and si D sa left and right niya. kung ano yung income mo left and right with matching 1/8, ma-enjoy din ni Parker. Ito yung mas maganda po dito. Si Parker nag-imbita kay C and D. Si Peter nag-invite naman kay A tsaka kay B. Parehas ba silang nagkaroon ng profit and income? Yes, because they did the same thing. They followed the system. Ginawa nila kung ano yung ginawa mo. So they made income, pero ikaw, kahit po hindi ikaw ang nag-imbita kay A and B, hindi ikaw ang nag-imbita kay C and D, guess what? Dahil ang system na detect na merong 1,200 points left and right, magkakaroon ka ng 2 extra matching sales bonus. Yan po ang ma-enjoy mo. At yan, pwede mong ma-enjoy hindi lang basta package left and right, pwede mo ring ma-enjoy once you have products na ginagamit, binibili at nabibenta ng mga partners mo on the right sales group, naka-accumulate ng 1,200 points still. It will match sa iyong system. Basta ma-detect ng ating system na merong 1 to sa left, 1 to sa right, magmamatch pa rin po iyan. Ganyan ang ating binary system with direct referral bonus at matching sales bonus. Ang tanong, maganda po ba yung ating sistema? Ang dami na nagko-comment. I keep on seeing a lot of comments. Sabi nila, grabe, instant 5,000 DRB, grabe, ang ganda talaga ng sistema sa Easyverse 3.0. Yes, napakaganda po talaga. Yan ang pwedeng mangyari sa iyo. So ikaw na mag-iimbita, mag-share ng mga Neoverse package. Imagine sa 2 mabibenta mo na Neoverse package, automatically ang ma-enjoy mong profit ay nasa 11,800 pesos kaagad. 2 pa lang po ang na-share mo na Neoverse package. Ang tanong, are you going to limit yourself with 2 Neoverse package? Or you will be sharing this more sa iyong kaibigan, kaklase, kamag-anak, kapitbahay, or any person that you know? Because ang ating business is open for everybody. Alright? Ano man ang pinanggalingan mo, ano man ang estado mo, ano man natapos mo, everybody deserve to become successful. And what we're going to do is just share to them the Neoverse package para matulungan sila health-wise at matulungan din sila sa kanilang finances. Yes, Ma'am Aileen, sabi ni Ma'am Aileen, no, talagang the best company po talaga. Wow na wow sa mga kitaan. Yes, very true. At ang maganda dito, ha, Ma'am Aileen, kapag ikaw ay nagsimula at naging part ng ating Easyverse 3.0, you will be called the distributor. Now, a distributor has the opportunity to enjoy up to 16 matching sales bonus per day, which means that is 28,800 per day, 201,600 per week, that is 864,000 gross income per month. Ito po ang pwede mong ma-enjoy as you start to become a distributor. Now, pwede pa nating ma-upgrade yung iyong marketing plan from 16 matching sales bonus per day to 20 matching sales bonus. Ano lamang po yung gagawin mo? You have to accumulate at least 2 positional points, personal reorder, para ma-upgrade mo yung iyong matching sales bonus system from 16 to 20 matching sales bonus per day. So ang galing, no? Habang gumagamit ka ng produkto, habang nag-share ka ng package, talagang nakaka-accumulate ka ng points, pwede ka pang mag-matching, pwede ring ma-upgrade yung iyong system into 20 matching sales bonus per day. At once na ma-upgrade po iyan, Ma'am Marivic, you will be earning up to 36,000 pesos per day, 252,000 per week. Itong pinakamaganda, that is 1,080,000 pesos gross income sa loob po ng isang buwan. Now, tell me, yung iyong 18,999 can give you profit and income of up to 1,080,000 pesos sa isang buwan. Is it a good deal? Maganda po ba ang ating napag-uusapan? Makakatulong po ba ito sa iyo and the future of your kids and your family? Talagang pwede talaga magbago ang inyong buhay dito. Now, hindi pa po ako tapos. Meron pa po tayong tinatawag na, alright, meron pa po tayong tinatawag dito na, of course, yung ating income na pwede pang umakyat po yan. Up to 32 matching sales bonus per day. Kapag nasa 300 first pair onwards na po ang inyong match sales bonus. Alright? Magiging 32 matching sales bonus per day na po ang inyong mai-enjoy multiplied by 1,500 pesos per match. Okay? So, with this magiging 48,000 pesos per day, 336,000 per week. Aakyat na po yan ng 1,440,000 income sa loob po ng isang buwan. Ako, napakalupit talaga. Nakakagigil at nakakakilig talaga yung mga nakikita natin na figures because as we all know, ang ganda ng produkto, you heard it from our medical doctor, ang ganda ng ating mga sistema at means for you to make money, talagang gagawin at sisipagan mo po talaga. And one of the best part of our company is our special feature na tayo lang po sa buong Pilipinas ang nagbibigay ng daily payout. Yan. Can you comment there? Comment mo nga dyan, daily payout. Kasi tayo po sa Easy or sa Easyverse 3.0 ang nagbibigay ng daily payout sa ating mga partners, distributors sa buong Pilipinas maging sa buong mundo. Alright? Ang ganda na ng daily payout. Mas pinaganda pa po, Ma'am Maria, because one of our special feature is the Easy 5 payout. Easy 5 payout which means yung ating pong encashment, yung payout, mas pinabilis pa. Bakit po may 5 dyan? You can encash your money in just 5 minutes. Mawi-withdraw mo na po sa nearest ATM na malapit po sa iyo. So, mag-encash ka ngayon, wait for 5 minutes, check mo yung card mo, punta ka sa nearest na ATM machine and withdraw your income. Ganyan kalupit. And ang Easy 5 payout natin, you have up to 30,000 pesos maximum encashment per day. So imagine meron ka ng daily encashment that you can enjoy kung magkakaroon ka ng emergency or may pagkakagastusan ka na talagang malaki-laki, you can encash in just 5 minutes. Yan ang makakatulong po sa iyo. And syempre, sa lahat naman ng gustong ma-enjoy ang pagta-travel sa buong Pilipinas, yung mga techie dyan, yung mga mahilig sa mga gadgets, mahilig mag-travel through motorbikes, yung talagang travel goals, pwede mo ring makuha yan at ma-enjoy sa ating Prime Life incentives. Meron tayong Prime Life travel vouchers, meron din tayong mga vouchers para sa mga gadgets, sa ating mga motorbikes na ma-enjoy mo na, magagamit mo pa to improve your business further para mas marami kang matulungan at ma-share yung ganda ng ating Neoverse package. Okay? Now, ito ay lahat ng yan pwede mong ma-enjoy dito. And apart from that, we also have the monthly income sa ating Easyverse 3.0. Lahat po na napag-usapan natin kanina are the daily income that can be given to you on a daily basis. And hindi lang dyan natatapos because sa Easyverse 3.0, you can also add more sa iyong income, profit mo, sa business mo with our monthly income basis sa ating system. Now, we have this unilevel platform na mag-e-enjoy ka sa overriding commission sa lahat ng produkto na ginagamit, binibili, nasi-share at nabebenta ng iyong buong organization. Now, 5% product commissional points plus 5% naman product commissional points sa taong direct na ikaw yung nagdala at nag-invita dito sa ating negosyo. Now, you will enjoy overriding commission sa unilevel platform from first level down to the 10th level ng iyong business. Okay? That is in the unilevel platform. Nag-override ka in those levels from first down to the 10th. Ngayon, meron din tayong stair-step. Stair-step platform, overriding pa din. Still overriding sa lahat ng produkto na ginamit, binili, nabenta, na konsumo ng sarili mo and buong downlines partners down the line. But the overriding commission in the stair-step is based on the rank differential, which means your rank, yung kung ano po yung rank po ninyo versus the rank of your partners, the difference there is going to be the overriding commission percentage para sa iyo. Alright? You will earn commission again on all the group product reorder and easy packages down the line. Ngayon, in our stair-step platform, meron din tayong personal rebate. Personal rebates depending on the rank for every personal purchase of products. So unahin ko muna, paano ka ba magkakaroon ng position dito? Sa stair-step platform, you will start as a distributor. The more you use the product, the more you share the product, maka-accumulate ka ng points, pwede kang umakyat into silver executive. 10 points, meron kang extra 10%. Kapag naka 100 points ka naman, you will become gold executive, may 20% ka naman dyan. Kapag ikaw naman ay Global Ambassador, 1,000 points. Ang requirement dyan, you will be having 30% overriding commission para sa'yo. And don't worry about the points. 10, 100, 1,000 points, you will not be working on this alone because these are group sales accumulation. From your end down to the last person in your organization, lahat po ay magtutulong-tulong with the points na na-accumulate para mabuo yung 10, 100, and 1,000 points. No time frame, no reversion, no demotion, and no pass-up. Hindi po ito naghahabulan, hindi po tayo paunahan, but still, you have the time, you have the decision whether na pabilisin mo yung pag-rank up mo or you will take it slowly but surely. Pero maganda po dito, wala namang reversion. Hindi ka rin madedemote, wala rin uungas sa'yo. Because lahat kayo magtutulong-tulong, lahat tayo magtutulong-tulong to gather the points, to rank up, and to be in the next position higher than the distributor. Maging silver ka man, gold, or global ambassador. Alright? Now, meron pang royalty income na makakapag-earn ka ng 2% up to the 5th level of your GA Directs kapag ikaw naman po ay nakapag-reach ng global ambassador and your downline also reach the same position na meron ka. Alright? Ngayon sa personal rebate naman, meron kang 10% pag silver executive, 20% pag global gold executive, 30% pag global ambassador sa bawat personal product purchase mo. So imagine, discounted ka na as you become part of the business as in the system, discounted ka na every time you buy the products again, meron ka pang rebates kapag umabot ka ng mga position like silver, gold, and global ambassador. Okay? And last but not the least, meron din tayong UniPay Plan platform. Now, this is the same overriding commission. Still, overriding commission ito sa lahat ng product na binibili, ginagamit, na nabebenta, at nakukonsume ng yung buong organization. Ang kagandaan po sa UniPay Plan, even a distributor, kahit po ikaw ay bago pa lamang, distributor pa lang ang inyong position, you can enjoy commission from the first level up to the 20th level following yung stairs of genealogy natin. Now, all the products that you and your downlines and partners are using, kahit distributor ang position mo, meron kang overriding commission. So from first to third level, may 5%, 4 to 8 level, 4%, 9 to 15th level, may 3% ka naman, yung 16 to 17th level, 4%, yung 18 to 20th level naman, 5% ang pwede mong ma-enjoy dyan. So, all of these, pwede mong ma-enjoy by doing this simple step na pag nag-shift ka ng product mo into easy, ginamit mo at continuously ginagamit mo, you love your product and you become the product of your product at you always share and share and share the product and the packages of Neoverse sa iyong kaibigan, kamag-anak, kakilala, any person na pwedeng matulungan ng ating magagandang produkto, especially the system natin sa EasyBurst 3.0. You will enjoy hindi lang daily, kundi monthly income dito sa ating system. At ano man ang iyong gawin, lahat po ng pinag-usapan natin, tatamaan mo at pwede mong ma-maximize because of our interloop hybrid system. So, ang simple lang, mag-shift ka ng product into easy, gamitin mo yung product natin continuously, religiously, and keep on sharing this to people. You will enjoy all the marketing plans that I mentioned because of our interloop hybrid system. Because this is a unique feature ng marketing plan kung saan yung benefit ng isang compensation plan is interconnected. Pag sinabi ko pong interconnected po, ito po ay halos nagkakadugtong-dugtong or nagtatama po with the same effort and the same thing na gagawin mo. Kaya naman yung compensation plan na yan, mamamaximize mo po talaga. Kaya dito sa Empowered Consumerism, dito sa EasyVerse 3.0, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw po ay naka-Neoverse package, mas marami ang matutulungan mo, mas malaki ang benefit na mai-enjoy mo, at mas malaki ang income potential na pwede mong makuha with this system. Kaya ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Shop now and buy our Neoverse package. Ulitin ko po, sa halagang 22,416 na produkto na makukuha mo at mai-enjoy mo, you will be only getting this for 18,999 pesos. Hindi ka pa nagsisimula, discounted na ang Neoverse package para sa'yo. And once you start buying this package, once you become part of the system, once you become part of the community, hindi lang produkto ang ma-enjoy mo, pwede mo pang matulungan ang sarili mo with the wonderful system na meron tayo. Massive discounts makukuha mo, may massive rebates din, access sa ating trainings and education, and ang pinaka-importante, you get access and enjoy our Epic platform or Empowered Passive Income Compensation. Saan mo lang po makukuha at makikita yan? Only in Empowered Consumerism Easyverse 3.0. Kaya sa lahat ng kasama natin, lahat ng nanonood today, you are watching this for a reason. Hindi ka lang dumaan dito. Marahil someone sent to you this link. Marahil someone commented your name, kaya mo nakikita ito. Now, what I'm telling you is, ang 2022 mo, kapag naging part ka ng Empowered Consumerism and Easyverse 3.0, is going to be the biggest year of your life. Because pwedeng magbago hindi lang ang sarili mong buhay, kundi ang buhay ng mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo at ang mga taong pwede mo matulungan with these products and with this business opportunity. Kaya ano pang iniintay nyo guys sa lahat ng kasama natin? We've been doing this for the last 16 long years. 16 long years of doing business ng Empowered Consumerism, Easyverse 3.0. Ito po ay para sa inyong lahat. So, think about this. Make a decision now. Become part of our business. Try our wonderful products and you will see the result. Hindi lang pang sarili mo, hindi lang para sa health mo, kundi para rin sa finances mo and the future of your family and your kids. Kaya, I'm waiting for you guys. See you soon in our Easyverse community, and God bless to all of you and more power sa inyo pong lahat.